A win for us here at Studio 64 is when we see clients coming in and broken and just where they come from and just see the transition they're able to make and the step down process from residential to IOP to OP to becoming gainfully employed and becoming successful and productive members of society. I think also a win for us is when we see that family reunification of clients getting their children back is a major win for us. First of all, I love my job. I love working at Studio 64. I have an amazing crew here. The owners are just amazing. The clients, we have a good community here. The clients just truly love on each other. And I think just coming here and seeing the clients just build a bond, and a lot of them are from out of state, and so they develop a family here. Sometimes family that they never really had. I think working in recovery for myself, I found my place, right? This is where I want to be. I know the struggles that I personally overcome and the father became being clean and sober. And I think just working and just giving back to others just brings me joy. I think sometimes the public think that drug addicts it's a choice that they make, and they don't fully understand that it's a disease. And here at Studio 64, we believe that it's a disease. We get it, this is the only disease that people will hate you for having. If you have cancer, if you have another form of disease, people just love on you. And here, if you have a disease of addiction, a lot of times family will just shun you and throw you out of the house and want nothing to do with you. We understand. The staff here truly cares. 99% of the staff here at Studio 64 are in recovery themselves, with the exception of our therapist. And I think everybody here knows the struggles of addiction and what it takes to stay clean. It's not just the drugs and the alcohol, it's the behavioral changes. When clients first get here, I think the first thing they notice at Studio 64 is a community. The community, everybody just gets along really well. Everybody just kind of integrates like a family. They might walk in, if they come in during group, they'll hear heartfelt stories from clients, and if they come in between groups, they'll see people having a good time. They'll see people playing pool. They'll see people playing ping pong. Some of the clients here have animals. You know, we're real big on allowing clients to come in with animals, and we have a lot of dogs running around sometimes. The way we foster trust is just maybe sometimes sharing some of your own personal story and let them believe and feel that you've gone through their struggles and you know their pain and that they can process it in a safe place. Really want to show clients that you have to have fun in recovery. You can't just remove the drugs and the alcohol and think your life's going to get better. You really have to enjoy living. And I think that's what we try to integrate to the clients and show them that recovery is fun. Living life is fun. You know, I think a lot of times we make the misconception of trying to have fun based on how much drugs and how much alcohol we have in our system. And once you remove those from you, you know what? Life is good. Life is really good. But you just have to do those things that make you happy. So helping a client find what interests they like and what brings them joy and do more of it.